Why Andrew Tate, Elon Musk, and Ronaldo always keep their hands like this. Why some leaders and influential people of the world keep their hands in a particular position. No, this is not just their way. In fact, there is a secret behind it, that you will keep your hands like this while sitting. And this secret is hidden from 5,000 years ago in our ancient history. This is called Mudras. Mudras are some kind of hand gestures, symbols, and positions that channelize the energy of your body and mind. In Ayurveda, it is said that cosmos and our body are made up of 5 elements: air, water, fire, land, and space. It is very important to be in the balance of these 5 elements for a healthy body. If any of these 5 elements becomes more heavy or weak, then this will start to create imbalance in our body. This will take us to the old age of diseases and problems. Here are 5 elements and we have 5 fingers. Each finger represents one element. Your thumb shows the fire element. Your index finger shows the air element. Your middle finger is for space. Your ring finger is for the earth. And your pink finger is for water. When you use mudras to form gestures or symbols for one purpose, you balance these 5 elements so that your focus is on your purpose. That is why mudras is also called seal, where you lock your body and mind's energy for one purpose. And the mudra that the Andrew Tate, Elon Musk, and Ronaldo uses is called Uthara Bodhi Mudra. Here, you mix both your hands and fold all your fingers. Take out your index finger and keep them together, and take out both your thumbs and keep them together. This mudra is called Mudra of the highest enlightenment, which is performed by Buddha himself. The biggest reason to use this is to increase your inner and outer awareness. Along with increasing your focus and concentration, it also causes your mind to get more and more excited. It boosts your self-confidence. If you practice this for a long term, then it makes you positive by removing fear and stress from your life. It also helps in decision-making and problem-solving, which will change your personality. The reason you have seen big celebrities performing this mudra while interviewing is that boosts their self-confidence. You can notice that they are speaking with confidence. Many people call this mudra a symbol of truth, because whenever someone is talking in this mudra, they are showing their confidence that they are speaking the truth. You must have noticed successful people performing a different mudra, which is called Hakini mudra. To perform this mudra, keep your hands in front of your chest, like this, where both your hands should be connected with each other. Like Namaste, do it like this. After that, take 3 long deep breaths and remove your hands from each other, where your fingertips should be touched by each other, and feel the pressure on your fingertips. This word is called Hindu goddess Hakini. Hakini means power or rule in Sanskrit. According to Ayurveda, by performing this word, a person gets the power to control his mind. Scientifically, if you see, there are more than 3,000 mechanoreceptors in our fingers, which works as a highway for your brain, which, through neurons, reach different signals in your brain. When you perform this mudra using this mechanoreceptors of your fingers and your brain's neuronal connections, this increases your brain power, which gives you many benefits. It boosts your memory. Your brain feels more energized. It increases clarity, and it develops creativity. But if you have a problem in focusing and concentrating, then do start this next mudra. Dhyana mudra. You must have seen a little monk sitting like this. Whenever someone does meditation or practices to relax their mind, it is said to keep your hands in this position. This is Dhyana mudra, which is known as concentration mudra. To practice this, first, be comfortable and sit down. Keep your hands down, where your right hand should be above your left hand, and thumbs should touch each other. Your thumb shows the fire element. While performing this mudra, both your thumbs meet each other. All the other elements are on the rest. This helps you reach a deep meditative state. This mudra gives you many benefits. It promotes your mind. It increases your concentration and prevents unnecessary thoughts from coming into your mind. Now next is Kubera mudra. This mudra is dedicated for the god of wealth, Kubera. To perform it, stick your thumb tip, index finger, and middle fingertip to your fingertip. Where there is a little pressure, let the rest of your fingers rest on your palm. If you practice this mudra every day for 10 to 15 minutes, you will get to see many benefits in the long term. It will increase blood circulation in your body. It will pump more blood to your heart and will take to every part of your body. It will increase your memory power and concentration and increase your brain power. Your mind will start opening up by practicing this mudra. You will be able to achieve success by removing all the problems in your goal, because it will train your mind and heart in the same way. If you want to increase your knowledge and wisdom, then do this next mudra, Chin Mudra and Dhyana Mudra. It is also called gesture of consciousness. This mudra is for knowledge and wisdom. If you have noticed, we are taught to sit like this during meditation, where our hands are in this position. To practice this, stick your fingers straight. Just touch your index finger and thumb tips from one to another. There should be as much pressure between your fingers as you use to hold a paper. In Sanskrit, Chin means consciousness and Dhyana means knowledge. During this mudra, we can access our fully conscious brain. This increases your awareness by combining your air element and fire element. Sir Mudra. To do this, keep your hands straight and take your thumb tip over your finger. Then keep your other fingers above your thumb. Now, whenever you breathe in, close your fingers like this. As soon as you breathe out, open your hands. Practice this process for 10 to 15 minutes. As soon as you open your hands, imagine that all your problems, all your sorrows, all your fears are slowly coming out of your body. Repeat this exercise at least 7 times. Mudra was discovered by Kem Thon, the leader of the Taoist monk. He says, Mudra takes away your sadness, kills your fear, helps to overcome your depression, increases your personal magnetism and mental power. Ganesh Mudra. Ganesh Mudra is a meditative hand gesture which helps to strengthen your chest muscles. In this mudra, your fingers are interlocked in front of your heart. It is said that it will help you to see new opportunities and increase your strength to see new opportunities. This is why it is also called Obstacle Remover Mudra. During meditation, Ganesh Mudra takes your entire focus on the center of your body, which is on your heart, which opens the heart chakra and increases love and compassion in your heart. To practice Ganesh Mudra, first sit in a meditative pose, where your waist is straight, shoulders are back, and chest is out. Now, bring your left hand in front of your chest and mix it with your right hand. Now, pull both your hands in the opposite direction. This way, your body metabolism increases by practicing this. This increases the love and kindness feeling in your heart, and it relaxes you in neck and shoulder pain. So, if you liked this video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. And turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.